Hello, little friends! Today's yoga adventure is full of fun movements and calm breathing that will help you feel strong, happy, and relaxed. So, grab your yoga mat, take a nice deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Greet the day, stretch your arms and start to play. Every breath will make you strong. Healthy hearts can sing this song. Step by step we're growing tall. Never fear if sometimes we fall. Stand back up with happy eyes. Every try will help us rise. Balance like a mountain high. Touch the clouds up in the sky. Calm your mind and breathe so free. Be the best that you can be. Jump with joy and spin around. Feel the rhythm, hear the sound. Strong legs, happy heart inside. Confidence will be your guide. Yoga helps us feel so bright. Morning, afternoon, or night. Every pose is full of grace. Big smiles shining on each face. Healthy food and water too give us energy to do. Run and laugh beneath the sun. Every day is full of fun. Friends together side by side, helping others with our pride. Share a smile and lend a hand. Love can grow across the land. Breathe in slowly, breathe out light. Everything will feel just right. Peace begins inside your heart. That's the strongest place to start. Dream so big and never quit. Every goal is worth a bit. Move your body, train your mind. Great adventures you will find. Move together, shine so bright. Fill the world with joy and light. Yoga, fitness, happy souls. Healthy living is our goal. Reach up high, then touch the ground. Magic moments all around. Every stretch will help us grow. Healthy bodies start to glow. Twist your body left and right. Keep your spirit strong and bright. Every movement tells a story. Step by step we're finding glory. Stand up tall and take your place. Shine with courage, smile with grace. Believe in all the dreams you see. Your best friend is always me. Breathe like waves upon the sea. Calm and peaceful we can be. Strong inside and kind each day. Love will always lead the way. Hands together, voices high. We can reach beyond the sky. Yoga, friendship, hope, and fun. Together we shine like the sun.
Good morning, friends, it's time to rise. Open wide your sleepy eyes. Smile so big, the day is here. Let's begin with happy cheer.
Stretch up high and touch the sky. Wave hello as birds fly by. Breathe in deep, breathe out slow. Feel your happy body glow.
Jump up high, 1, 2, 3. Jump with joy and energy. Every hop will make you strong. Come along and sing this song.
Run in place with happy feet. Moving makes our day complete. Clap your hands and count to 4. We can always do much more.
Lift your knees up nice and high, like a rocket to the sky. Every step is full of fun. Morning exercise has begun.
Swing your arms from left to right. Everything will feel so light. Move together, don't be shy. You can always reach so high.
Turn around and spin with glee. Happy hearts are wild and free. Laugh out loud and clap once more. Joy is knocking at your door.
Touch your toes and stand up tall. Healthy habits help us all. Strong today and strong tomorrow. Goodbye sadness, goodbye sorrow.
Balance on one little foot. Stand up tall and stay well rooted. Every day you're growing strong. Keep on smiling all day long.
March ahead and lift your chin.
Every morning is a win. Big dreams start with little feet. Life is such a happy tree.
I am brave and I am kind. A stronger heart I'll always find. Helping others, sharing too. That's what caring people do.
I am healthy, I am smart. Love is living in my heart. Every morning I can say I will shine in every way.
We love running, we love play. Learning English every day. Every word is fun to say. Hip hooray! Hip hooray!
The sun is bright, the sky is blue. There's so much that we can do. Every smile will light the way. Let's be thankful every day. Life is beautiful and sweet.
Every heartbeat finds its beat.
Dream so big and never stop. You can always reach the top.
Rise and shine, let's laugh and sing. Dance and jump in every ring. Strong together, hand in hand. We can build a better land.
Jump up high, 1, 2, 3. Jump with joy and energy. Every hop will make you strong. Come along and sing this song.
Come on in place with happy feet. Moving makes our day complete. Clap your hands and count to 4. We can always do much more.
Lift your knees up nice and high, like a rocket to the sky. Every step is full of fun. Morning exercise has begun.
Swing your arms from left to right. Everything will feel so light. Move together, don't be shy. You can always reach so high.
Turn around and spin with glee. Happy hearts are wild and free. Laugh out loud and clap once more. Joy is knocking at your door.
Touch your toes